On Friday, President Biden announced that the federal government is pausing all pending export permits on liquefied natural gas. A number of things are true about this. First, this is an important step. If these permits were approved, that would mean more than 1 billion tons of CO2 or its equivalent being emitted every year. Putting a pause on this approval to include the impact of climate change and the criteria makes it more likely that this gas will stay in the ground. Second, this pause is not a denial of approval, and since this pause will likely last until after the November election, whomever is elected president then will get the final say. Third, this is just one minuscule part of all the steps we need to take to draw down fossil fuel use and address climate change, and the Biden administration is not moving nearly fast enough to address the crisis. Fourth, if Donald Trump is elected president, he will derail this and every other step the Biden administration has put in place to address climate change. Fifth, seemingly unrelated to this issue, but at the heart of moral consideration in this election, Biden continues to enable the genocide of Palestinians in Gaza, just as Trump would do. What does this mean for my vote in the next election? I'm continuing to struggle with that very issue. See the videos that I posted last week. What does it mean in this moment? That I'm grateful that the pause on export permits was put in place. It's one more step in the massive fight against climate change.